In today's video, I want to show you ways that I believe to be the most laziest and passive ways to make money from anywhere in the world. These methods are going to be able to generate you passive income without you having any previous experience or any money to invest. The first way to make passive income from anywhere in the world is this website right here called likeforlike.org. This is simply a website where you get credited for engaging on other people's social media posts. So for instance, if you like someone post using this website, you will get credit on your account that you can use to get automatic likes and engagement onto your social media account. Whether this can be TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Reddit, LinkedIn, it doesn't matter. Like for like has engagement for any social media account. Now this video is all about doing the least amount of work and making the most amount of money possible. So we are not going to be liking anyone's post with this method today. Instead, what we are going to do is installing a like for like bot that's gonna automatically like other people's post and give us the credit, so that we can use it to boost the engagement on our account. And once the bot has generated all of the credit, you can use it for like, comments, followers, whatever it may be. And you might be thinking at this point, how is this going to make me money? That's simple. What we are going to do is create a niche account, meaning that we are going to create a social media account that based around a particular topic. This could be fitness, it could be relationships, spirituality, making money online, whatever it may be. You are gonna create a very niche account, then you are gonna use the credit from the likeforlike.org to build up the account, to get followers, comments, and all of that. Then once the account is big, let's say it has over 10,000 followers, what you can do is go on a website like FameSwap and sell it to people for hundreds of dollars. As you can see right here, by Instagram and YouTube channels. So once you have built up this account, you can see for yourself right here. Someone is selling a TikTok account with 100k followers for almost $900. Instagram account has 55k followers. Someone is selling it for $500. And as we go down through this list, you can see people are selling accounts for $3,000, $2,500, and $4,800 right here. Even goes up to $10,000 that you can earn on here by selling a social media account. This is a great side hustle. If you don't have much time, you just want a bot that's gonna work in the background 24 hours of the day. You just build up an account and come on FameSwap and sell it. This is an easy side hustle, and people have been doing this since 2015 and making tons of money online. And now it's your time to take advantage of this. Now moving on to the next method that can make you some easy passive income online is this website right here called 10web.io. This is essentially an AI website builder that you can use to generate a website within a matter of minutes. All you have to do is just come to this website, answer a few questions about what type of website you want to create, and just like that, within a matter of seconds, the AI is going to create a totally professional website for you. And they even have a feature where you can copy the link to any other website on the internet and paste it back into the 10web, and the AI will duplicate the entire website. This tool is truly incredible, and you have the potential to make well over $10,000 a month if you use this tool correctly. I am not just throwing random words out here. This is something I know to be a fact. If we look right here, you can see that people are charging around $25, $45, $15 an hour. $60 an hour, another $60 an hour. Here's people are charging a lot of money to create different websites. So imagine if you could come on here, create an account, and start charging people similar amounts to create a website that would usually take these developers weeks, if not months. But you can literally create a website within minutes using the powerful 10web AI tool. Trust me when I say this is a massive opportunity right now that can put you 10 steps ahead of any of the other freelancer on the side, because they are still doing it manually, whereas you can use AI and take on 10-20 jobs a month and make bank by creating these different websites for businesses and that are looking to get customers online. Now the next very lucrative passive income site I want to talk to you about today is the one that you can see on the screen right now, that is editing podcast. As you can see right here, this guy called Rishi, he's willing to professionally edit podcast audio and video for people on this platform, and he is charging $35 for editing a 60-minute audio. I found people on different platforms are charging up to $200, $300 just to add a podcast. If you haven't noticed, this type of content has blown up over the years and the demand has skyrocketed. There's so much people starting podcasts left, right, and center. You can really tap into this industry and make a lot of money. Now, I know most of you guys probably don't know how to add a podcast. What we are going to do instead is using a very powerful AI tool to edit these podcasts within just one press of a button. The website you're going to use for this is called cleanvoice.ai, and you can see from the title of the website. Stop wasting your hours editing podcasts. Clean Voices are artificial intelligence tool that is going to fill a sound shuttering at mouse sounds and really enhance the sound and the quality of the podcast. And as I said, this is going to be done within seconds. You just get the podcast from Fiverr or Upwork from one of the clients, place it over to Clean Voice, and then once you get the audio back, you send it back to the client and you get paid. It's as simple as that, and you are gonna have a big advantage over any of these people that are spending hours editing these podcasts, because you are going to be able to deliver much faster. Your customers are going to be happier, and most importantly, you are going to be able to make a lot of money if you can service more people in the market. Me, when I say AI is totally flipped the game on his head. So if you're watching this video right now and you have internet access, there's no reason for you to be broke, especially with all the side hustles I am showing you right here. You can do the same as long as you stay consistent and do everything I showed you. You are well on the way to make passive income online. If you want to see more ways to make money online, then make sure you have liked this video and you subscribe to the channel, because I have got so many amazing videos I am gonna post on this channel that you don't want to miss out on. And if you are not done for today and you want to watch another great video, then this is the video I recommend you watch next on the channel, where I dive deep into the affiliate marketing and show you guys even more great strides. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you again in the next video.